house. Do you like McDonald's? First, let's use some cardboard to build the floor and walls. Hardworking painters will add color to the store. And a green grassy area will make it even more pleasant. A cardboard table. And I will become a great chef with delicious dishes. Using handmade foam to make the cabinet doors. Don't forget the cabinet doors to make it easy to open. It's amazing! I will place it in the corner of the room. A food storage cabinet made from Fomax. I made 2 compartments. One for hamburgers and one for hot and crispy fried chicken. Orange clay to make crispy fried chicken.
Wow!
Lots of crispy fried chicken. I will fill the top. A McDonald's restaurant must have hamburgers, right? Oh no, that's not it. We need a smaller burger. A hamburger requires many components. How do we go about it? Using modeling clay is indeed a suitable choice. Orange clay for the bun, green for lettuce, red for meat, yellow for cheese, brown for beef, and white for sesame seeds.
Wow!
It's a delicious-looking clay hamburger. Next, a soda machine will be placed next to the counter. I can easily get it for customers. Cover with a layer of paper on the outside of the foam board. Then attach a simulated water container image, add a black base, and now attach the Coca-Cola. 7 UP labels, and don't forget the soda dispenser. We need an electric fryer, add some glittering beads, and a frying basket. Let's go fry some fries. Now, let's move to the payment counter. Attach the sturdy cardboard to make a thick counter. And the McDonald's logo is made of shiny gold foam. Now, attach it to the cabinet. Looks great! The food ordering computer is a great addition. To your McDonald's setup, offering combo meals is a fantastic idea for your customers.
What's in a combo meal today? I'm paying now.
Oh, we can't leave money like that. It's easy to steal. Let's make a cash register. Just assemble the cardboard pieces together. Add the number faces. And money can be kept in here more securely. Paste the menu on the wall. Inside the restaurant is complete. Now, let's decorate the outside. Now we need tables and chairs for the customers. Now we need tables and chairs for the customers. The chair with the McDonald's logo, isn't it great? Now we can open the door to welcome guests. have our first 3 customers.
Wait for me.
Hurry up, we're really hungry now.
Welcome to McDonald's. What would you like to order?
Give us a combo meal.
Okay, the food will be ready soon. Welcome to McDonald's. What would you like to order?
Let's get back to the DIY home project. I will build a rainbow water slide for children outside the restaurant and a warehouse for food transportation by car. Colors are extremely important: blue, green, yellow, red, pink, with the addition of 2 pearl strings on the outside to highlight the water slide.
Hello?
Give me 1 hamburger and some french fries, please.
Okay.
Do you see anyone wearing an orange jumpsuit pass by here?
Help! Help me! Help!
I really enjoy playing on this water slide.
Giant French fries, place it on the water slide like this. The restaurant provides food delivery service, and I will create a car to be able to deliver orders to farther destinations. We will decorate the outside of the store with windows and entrance doors. Let's also place a flower pot, shall we? And the giant hamburger will be the symbol of the store. Using the old lid from my mother's cosmetic jar to make a water pond, outlining it with a string of pearls to create sparkle and attract everyone's attention. My McDonald's restaurant is complete now. Would you like to have a meal here? If you have any ideas, please share with us through comments or follow to stay updated on amazing DIY houses. Thank you for watching my video.